Um, Good morning. Today is Sunday. Another good day, another nice Sunday morning. Koma bungwe lapita patali. Ndikumvaso kuti akuti tikachita bwino. The World Bank will come in, the IMF will come in, other foreign governments will come in and will assist this. This is good news. This is why we want our president, Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika, to know exactly what the operations of this grouping or movement is all about, how it is using its funds, how transparent it is, how accountable it is, a rule of law, does it maintain justice and equality or equity? Ikuchita, chifukwa main objectives are three. One is to protect the president. Two is to protect freedom and democracy. Three is to fight against corruption. So it is all over the world. And I am overwhelmed. I didn't know that this would go so far. I will be able to engage a lawyer to come up with a brief constitution of the movement and how it is or it has to be operating in the country. But more so is to respect the rule of law, because no one is above the Constitution. It has to operate within the framework of the Constitution. This is what this movement is all about. Ndachoka huko. Ife pano tindi information ndagawanso ndi a fiscal police ndapasa what zimene tanene pano ndagawiranso, because I don't want to work outside the police. I want to work within the Constitution, the law, bylaws, any act that is there, as long as it is in working in conjunction or consistence with the Constitution, then that will be valid. But if it is going to operate outside the Constitution, then it's going to be null and void. Ine sindikufuna. Choyamba, one, ichi ndendi chinthu chofunika kwambiri kuti mumve lero Amalawi. Ku Eskom, ku Ncharo, ku Erufu Sugar, kuli warehouse yina ya kuti side investment. Imene ndi inanso Bungwe limene lugwira ndi a certain former minister wa MCP. Ali ndi tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of sugar aibisa kuncharo. Warehouse iyo atuonesa wino wapita kwa ijambura ndatumizaso kwa polisi koma pictures za warehouse itasunga kae takaijambura tayuona yonse ndi zimene zili nkati monso muliso fertilizer uja wakuti I think za green belt watu wonso wazaza kumene koko warehouse yena underground. Iwo wakugura sugar ku Erofu kuncharo at 59,000 per barrel. Iwo wakugulisa lokale 80,000 kwacha. Ndiponso zimene akupanga ndizakuti iyoyo ndi local market, koma kumatenga usiku ma trucks and trucks zimabwera kulilongwe kutuluka ku Songwe, zina zimatulukira kuchitipa kupita kunja. Amene akuchita operation yonse ni Mamburundians. Minister, former powerful minister muboma lija lapita la MCP. Zomvesa chisoni kwambiri. Zimene zikuchitika kuncharo, sugar wa kuncharo wa Erofu, a love sugar ndibwereze pa. A World Bank tiyamba kwatumizira ma details IMF tiyamba kwatumizira ma details chifukwa ife tikupezani. Make Malawi great again is a wave in Africa. Yatenga, Africa yose yukufuna ibwere zapunzire kuno. How will protect our president, the institution ya presidency Maraimo. We want Professor Peter Mutharika to work without looking at who is going to disturb him. We want to protect freedom and democracy. We want to fight corruption. Chifukwa zonsezi amena kuvutika nda Malawi. Amarawo kusowa kugura sugar. Ndizoona pamene this side investment. Imene this powerful minister amanyada akumanga zimaroji, filling stations, chani akuyuza sugar amene Amarawo kuvutika kuti agule kapaketi kamozi koka akamwere para akamwere kati azibamba azigogo atumizi koma sakuta chifukwa cha this so-called powerful, and you are not powerful. We'll get at you. We'll squeeze you. Remember it. I'm so annoyed. We'll squeeze you. We'll squeeze you. I wanted to use a certain language, but I have to restrain. We'll squeeze you. We'll get at you. We will get at you. We'll get at you. And you will remember the day you were born. Because you cannot kuta Malawi azivutika iweyo zikara tons and tons and tons and tons. Achakwera, were you a leader or you were a syndicate leader? Because this is not on. You are fellow Malawians per Central region as gogo mezi. Kumasauka. Kulepera kugura sugar pamene iweyo chakwera ndika ka minister kako akakutika kari powerful aka kamwana kaziba sugar muno kazipita naye kumaiko akuncha through mamburundi yansi umavomereza zimene zozo iwe chakwera umavomereza zimene zozo ndekuti uzaimeso 2030 never you never ungotaya nthawi pamene wachakwera. You were destroying this country, and you destroyed this country. And you want to destroy this country more than what you have destroyed already? No, Chakwera, please get out of politics. Minister kakoka. Kamene kamati kari powerful aka. Tika. Anyway, let me restrain. This is too much. Akuru, a police invading Charo, side investment, go to my White House and confiscate that sugar. Ngati mule pera if a teacher organize antu, tip it kumene kuja and will take the law on, will take that law, which is unfortunate because we want to maintain peace, law, and order. This movement respects a rule of law, the rule of law. In my judge, tamva kuti mukukumana kuti mzose mzowapanga milandu MCP azuina milandu ndaseka topano. If you have never seen a treatment, if you have never seen a movement that will be even in the judiciary there, in your offices there, physically removing you from your offices, you will see it this time. Because we cannot afford, if we say we have to maintain peace, law, and order, and we have to respect the rule of law. Inuyo kumene koko, you are misinterpreting the constitution, the laws of this country. Utumziti MCP samangidwe sakot, pamene MC panopo, even telephone yanga, sana ndipasa police muanga, ndima yujo pita uchi. Imene ndikupempa boma, Inspector General police amene muli panopo. Mwadure amene aja masalaries ma pension nao mundiduli reko panopo telephone di 7 million. Mundiduli reko 7 million, 5 million mwadure mayoramu, 2 million mwadure amwanga. Amene anabisa telephone yanga ma office paka pano safu na undipasa. Chonde, Inspector General police anyuani. Let my phone, let me get my phone. Let me have my phone back. Chonde. I don't want to be personal. Then Central Region Water Board. kunari contract imene apereka 2 weeks ago. Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika alikale tu president amusankha kale ya 60 billion. Koma last week akupereka 6 billion ku bogus company yake chief executive wakumene kuzoona 6 billion kwacha kupereka last week ku company imene ili yake hardware Kaichant and construction ili yake ndi mkazi wake zoona ndizoona izizi kupanga muno mara Central Region Water Board ndizoona izi zipanga muno mara ndizoona. Kurakuru, we are not serious. Make Malawi great again. Ili next week imetu yamba Monday tupanga a WhatsApp group chat. Imene tukufuna tichite speed up while we are waiting for the constitution, we are waiting for the legal framework of how to operate. But this is now an urgent issue that we have to be seen to be operating. Because we can't keep on talking. No. We have to get at these people. We have to get at them and be accountable to the community called Malawians. This is a community that do elect a president, do remove the president from power. This community is called Malawians. And it's a committee, and it's a commitment, and it is a committee, this movement, that will work hand in hand on behalf of the community called Malawians. Kuti mukale an institution, a spirit of transparency, a spirit of accountability, a spirit of integrity with high ethics, a spirit of justice, a spirit of equity for all. These many ifetu kufuna maraimo. Central region, special appeal to Dowa. Akudowa, you are our fellow Malawians. We welcome you aboard. Ngakare simnamvotere Arthur Peter Mutharika, the professor, the great and the greatest. Tukuziwa kuti panali political interference and intimidation. Welcome aboard. The president loves you. He loves you, you are Malawians. Arthur Peter Mutharika is there for you. He's not going to look at the district of your origin. You are Malawians. Come back. Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika nalima mseu, tikamapita kusalima. Pali mseu wina ukesa, apo tesa nafiki pa certain trading center. Unalowera umwatara mpaka pa Dowa district, pa Boma. Very beautiful mseu, wataratu. Chua unasirizika limozi ndiwa bypass wa kulilongo, jopita kukasiya, kupita paka kwa chata, kwa sante. Ndi mseu mene Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika analima. Koma mbili sama uchurai, ife tukuuziwa, make Malawi great again. Not great again, but great again. It's a movement, very strong movement. Akudowa, Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika loves you. The professor is for everybody here. The greater, the greatest. He's not somebody that is going to falter. No. We know him. Ndeno ifeyo tiri ndichisoni pazimene zikupangika. China, mugurumu muli anthu. Ena situachura ai. Very powerful personality. And I'm just an interim chair. I will leave it to the competent people that will manage this. Not enough just been a vehicle. a tool, a convenient tool kuti tipange chinthu ngati ichi. Then China ndikufuna kuti tatulukira kuti ma judges and some powerful, they call themselves powerful personalities in MCP mukupita tu because nonse nameta takuziwa ndalama kumene mwabisa manyumba mwanu zina mwakwirira mufuna msinthe magari moto mukwapasa anthu ma 1 million kwacha kuti azivomera kuti magari moto asinthidwe maina awo pamene magari moto akuba. Tukuziwa zonsezo traffic ku road traffic iko tukubwera konko because masintha magari moto angapo anthu mwachinyengo akupasani ma 2 million kuti msinthe mwachinyengo mukuchokaso ndi zintchito kumene koko we'll uproot you there because we are coming for you. We are coming for you kumene koko. We are coming for you. Takuziwani maina takuziwani mulipo 10 amene mupanga zinthu ngatizi mwamanga manyumba ambiri kwa basi ndiponso tukukuziwani kumene muliko zimene mukupanga kumene makara musazike manyumba chifukwa tikubwera kuzaula ndani zonsezo kuti zibwerere kwa Malawi ena kama nyumba awo ndalama zawo zimene maba komanso muzaperekaso interest pa zonse zimene mnaba muzapereka interest failing which ma pension anu onse muzalandidwa sitizakupasani chifukwa ndino anthu akuba your anti-development, your anti-Malawians. That is crime against Malawians. Humanity, crime against humanity. And then we are for you. We are after you. We are after you. We'll get you. We'll get you. We'll get you. We know in a road traffic. Nizimene mukupanga zimene zozo. Takutulukirane. Ku immigration, munali ndi printer yapa mbali. Parantu ena kudeza. Amachita print ma passport. Manyumba mo tukuziwamo mene mulimo mene muchitira print zinthuzo tukupezani mene machita print ma passport tukupezani ku immigration mene mupanga zinthuzo za upando ngati tukupezani. Koma chisoni chandigwira kuti institutions that are not for government, that are not government institutions, but that are not government institutions like financial institutions. Nditu musilemba nchito chautu mugona ndasikana muzalemba nchito azibale awo as their brothers mauchita ma bogus qualification akobwera basi mukwalemba zinchito you promote them chifukwa cha ugona ndasikana ndizoona zvandimvesa chisoni kwambiri. Make Malawi great again. Ndi bungwe limene ligwiraso ndi Amnesty International kuti ambira mabwana amene muli ngati Standard Bank ma district umu kumulanje Maruchenza umu Parombe Mlilongwe Mchisi umu Munkhatabe Mumuzimba ndi zimene mukupanga ma managers kugona ndasikana kuti muziwalemba ntchito ma brothers awo muziwalemba ntchito ma sisters awo zonsezo tamva. National Bank mukupanga so zimene zozo mukupanga zinthu zopusa kwambiri. Standard Bank, National Bank, new building, new United Building Chairman Services, nditu zoona FDH msipanga zimene zozo. Mpinga Nchira Tom is one of the best and reputable banker. Ndi anthu mufuna mumipisire mbiri. Tom Mpinga Njira is the greatest. The brother wangu kutine ndima mpasa ulemu uja wosowa uja. The family is reputable. The family is distinguished. Nde inu mufuna nditu ma branch manager ndizimene muupanga ma district umu ma branches umu avumbwe umu kwapanisha anthu azikhala mabanki malaini bogus malaini nditu mabanki zimene muzipanga kuti muzigona ndasikana kuti muziwalemba ntchito azibalawo nditu takuziwani nonse. And we will grab you, we will tell the bosses, we will tell the shareholders kuti zimene mumapanga akuchoseni zinchito mupite mukasauke uko. We don't care kuti kaya ndinaku muchoka kumulanje kaya ndikuchoro kaya ndikuti, but if your managers doing things that are unethical, we'll get at you because we don't want to see dirty things and make Malawi great again. The legacy of our professor, the greater and the greatest. We want that legacy to be one of the best in Africa. We want wherever he was working institutions, tertiary institutions in America, to give him a reward to one of the best ever born on planet Earth. Tufuna kutampase ma prestigious award amene because this is unprecedented. Amalawo wosanakhala pansi kuti fe tikufuna dadi profesa abwerenso chifukwa 1 sandikangana ndi munthu, 2 he is always loving, 3 saika zinthu kukhosi, 4 ndi munthu amene cares for each and every living soul. If we don't have to disappoint him, never. So make Malawi great again. Limene itapasise kuti we should work hand in hand kuti Malawi muno all these things they carry a thing of the past. We want a new Malawi, new dawn Malawi, new dawn over the dawn of a new beginning. De ifeyo tili pano kunena zimene zozo. China, bosi wa kunifu, nditu kumanga manyumba 25 within a year. Ndizoona, tagawa tapelekaso all the details and information ku fiscal police, and the police should work hand in hand with us so that at least we unearth, we uncover zose tikatenge, zose zimene agulira kazawo, zose zimene ndachita chide kwambiri. There's a certain boss wa company ina yakenso sindichula pano, anakatenga galimoto imene anapereka ya company institution itu kukatenga, anapereka kwa chibwezi akaitengako aibweza. Thank you boss. Kumene nde kukhala palanzano yena sakufuna kupereka tuziwa ma girlfriend amene ndi zonsezi, tuziwa manyumba amene agulira ku South Africa, manyumba amene ali nawo tukuziwa, koma you have been exceptional. We need that spirit. Komanso Malawi Electoral Commission, ma drivers simunapase ndrama zawo, taperekani chifukwa ndrama zinatuluka, koma zukanga tena mwaino anachira misappropriate ku commission, Malawi Electoral Commission iko. Amafuriwa Sangwani address this problem quickly chifukwa ma driver uchira complain awutayamba kuurura zisinsi zina zake. We don't want to make this ungovernable. We want it to kutizite bwino. To make Malawi great again is a protection of wealth ya Malawi muno. It is a protecting institution ya wealth muno Malawi muno, and we don't want to actually sort of get at the people just because certain people that have told us to do this. We want a proof of it. So kumene ko simuna pass my drivers, simuna pass some of the anthu amene magwirani zinchito, chonde address this, because this is urgent that owners my drivers wafuna kuti at least to live de mwapase kwe chonde wapaseni what is due for them chonde ku Malawi Electoral Commission. So pano register of political parties, kulima cases many people have submitted, speed them up, because we don't want those people who lose their seats in parliament kukangata kongole zindarama chan they later on they should be put in a very awkward pronounce, at least come up with a pronouncement kuti anthuwa. People should learn to be ethical. People should learn kuti akamanena kuti izi nzolesedwa iwa kupanga, they should learn kuti 2030 ma elections zakale are free and fair, wosati kugula anthu zimene zinachitika this year, kupereka zinthu chimanga chaboma kukapereka kupanga kuti anthu ena akhale ngati ndizisiro aluze ma elections facha kuti awawa they didn't have any idea of how to help the electorate, but in Chitoya just bribing them. We don't want them to be in parliament. We know there are about 70 cases and 70 members of parliament that they will lose their seat, because this is practical and it's genuine and it's real and it took place. So these people should be taken out of parliament so that next time we don't have to have members of parliament that will be elected based on kubera antu or kuba ai, koma based on ideas, best ideas, and how they are going to assist the people, also based on lies. Ndeno ninkani mawa ndikubweresa ina yopya kwambiri koma this is just an information that World Bank will be working with Make Malawi Great Again. International Monetary Fund, IMF, will be also doing the same. Financial institutions, both local and international, they are going to work with us. We have received so many inquiries from these institutions. I'm just an interim chairman. If it is settled, people will elect a chairman. It doesn't have to be me. It has to be some people that will steer this organization, will steer this movement, and make Malawi great again. Then my special recognition ipite kwa Mtanyiwa, Bakili Mluzi TV, Boni Kalindo, Mangochi uja Karonga uja, and the other players that are there. I've said chair Friends of Professor Peter Mutharika, chair Freedom Fighters, and others that are there. Today, the membership is hitting. We have got more like a computer that is detecting people that are, we have connected it to a laptop that is actually monitoring membership. That is today is about 3.7 million, those who have done so far. And I'm quite humbled because South Africa, Malawians living in South Africa, Malawians living in Botswana, Malawians living in Zimbabwe, and some of these people, I think, Kuona Maina, I think they're Zambian, some they are Tanzanians, and some here they are Mozambicans. Yeah. This Antonio, what is a Mozambican, yeah, and neighboring countries. So they are actually also joining, and because all this is because of our Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika. Your re-elections yapangisa the whole world kukhala aware kuti God's time is the best time ever. When God says yes, nobody can say no. And I've seen also prophet. Yeah. My tribute, special thanks to Prophet Emmanuel, Emmanuel Zomba. What a man you are. You prophesied the winning of Peter, Professor Peter Mutharika, in 2020, and you have been constant throughout to say whether you people you like it or not, God has showed you this prophecy that you gave. Wonderful, yes, wonderful. Yeah. No, we thank you. May the Lord protect you and bless you, Prophet. And also, Hubert Angel, 2 weeks before elections, you also prophesied that Peter is going to, and you said it's going to be dramatic because whether people like it or not, but they are going to see that Arthur Peter Mutharika is once again the President of the Republic. Thank you, Prophet Hubert Angel, for that. We also would like to thank, who is this one? This one? Zina ndendare likundirepera kuchura. But thank you. So it's 3.8 million people that have joined so far. I think it's not a political party, and we are not intending to contest as a political party. No, we are a movement, Make Malawi Great Again, a political platform that will it has 3 objectives. 1 is to protect the president. 2 is to protect the freedom and democracy. 3 is to fight against corruption. So issues like a rule of law, transparency, accountability, others, those are operational issues that are going to be there so that at least the institution has a strong foundation. This movement has a strong foundation. Once again, good morning.